Hi guys, so today's video is going to be really quick. Today's video is going to be really quick and easy.
Hey guys, so today's video is going to be really quick and easy.
We're just doing a curly hair tutorial, curly hair bun tutorial. No makeup. This is like a work, errand, hairstyle for those days in between your wash. So yeah, just stick around and keep watching. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is check that the camera is in focus. The reason that this works is because sometimes, like, when I'll wash my hair or whatever, I'll leave it down curly, and so the ends are already nice and curly even if the rest is like a hot mess. Grab a little bottle of water. I bought this little spray like at a beauty supply store, and I just filled it up with water. And does this have conditioner in it? No, I don't think I even put conditioner in it. And I'll just go around and start wetting my edges because that's where most of the flyaways are. Whenever I do my buns, I always like to leave like a little bit like popped up like this. Did I shave my armpits? Okay, I'm good. Give it a little hump up here so that it's not like flat like this, because my forehead, I feel like it's already so big. I always comb the sides, so I start doing that. I start manipulating the sides a little bit to kind of run my fingers through any little knots I may have there, and this is how I want it, right? I want it like this, but I want it with a little bit of this. So I'll start doing that, and when I see how much hair I want to pull out, I start pulling out a little bit of hair like this. So once I do that, I'm going to grab all the rest of my hair, like even from the back. I'm going to pull it all up with my arm, like this. Doesn't have to be perfect right now. So once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and just grab it with both hands now. I'm going to make sure the top is still fluffed up a little bit how I want it and not flat. And you see how you can even get those really cute like waves up here sometimes, depending on your curl pattern, I guess. And then what I'll do is I'll grab some hairspray. And I'll put it right here, mostly by my sideburns, because my sideburns is what makes me the maddest, because it's always coming out. And then do some on the back as well. I'm going to go ahead and grab my brush. This is I don't know what this is. And I'm going to start brushing the back of my head like this. Right, and then what I'll do is I'll start coming up on the sides like this, and then I'll do this side as well. And then when you flip it out, match it up with the outer corner of your eye this way and the outer corner of your eye this way. That way it's not just boom right here like back in like 2009. Okay, so now once I do that, I'm gonna take 2 scrunchies. I need 2 because my hair is so thick, and I'll tie my hair up while looking down, so like this. Can you guys see this? Okay, so I'll tie it in 2 loops like this, and then before I do the second one, I'll make sure the hair hasn't gone back inside, and I'll do it again. So I like the way this looks, and we'll fix the baby hairs and all that after. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to start creating a little messy bun and just twist it around because I want my curls towards the front. So I'm going to start putting some bobby pins in it and just making sure that I'm securing this bun up here. Some days I will make prettier buns than other days, but I mean, for video purposes, you guys get the concept, right? Just look at the back of it. Yep, I like this little curl here that's there. I'm going to leave that there. And then I'm going to go ahead and hairspray it. Make sure that it's in place. And then I'm going to hairspray it up here too. I have a little toothbrush that I use, and I'm just going to go with my toothbrush and comb that upwards. Do that in my sideburns as well. Pull out a little bit of hair down here, and then I'm gonna wet my toothbrush with some water, and I'm gonna go right here with these baby hairs that I have that are so annoying. This is like where I have my cowlick, and I'm just gonna kind of brush them down just so they look a little more neat. Grab a couple of bobby pins too, put them in like as close to the bun as possible. And then I'll take another bobby pin and I'll crisscross them. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll go the opposite way and crisscross it. And that way I know the hair up there is not going to move because it's still a little shorter. And this is what it looks like, guys. From that angle, this angle, and this angle. And if you want to see the back too, this is what it looks like in the back. So yeah, guys, that's basically how I did it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. And until the next one, I'll talk to you guys soon. Mwah.